US Vice President J.D. Vance, who met with Prime Minister Modi on Monday, the two leaders welcomed the progress in the negotiations for a US-India bilateral trade agreement. They formally announced the finalization of the terms of reference for the negotiations, and US President's, this is the Vice President's office, released a statement post the dinner at Prime Minister's residence, and I quote, Vance and Prime Minister Modi welcomed significant progress in the negotiations for a US-India bilateral trade agreement and formally announced the finalization of the terms of reference for the negotiations, laying down a roadmap for further discussions about our shared economic priorities. He will be visiting the Taj Mahal, and that will remain closed for the general public on Wednesday from sunrise till the United States Vice President's proposed visit to the monument is over. Prior to his visit to Agra, he will be, of course, he had landed in Jaipur last night. He will be delivering a speech at the Rajasthan International Centre, followed by meeting with the governor and the chief minister. But he'll kickstart his Jaipur visit today with a visit to Amer Fort, where he will be greeted by two decorated elephants. My colleague Harsha has the details. Harsha, get us details of the plan of course, US Vice President J.D. Vance, who landed yesterday. It was the Chief Minister who was there to receive him. But take us through also the decorated story of the two elephants, Chanda and Pushpa, that are going to be receiving the US Vice President while he will be, visiting the Amer Fort.
Well, yes, absolutely. I think Chanda and Pushpa are going to be the highlight for the Vance family, especially for the young children, because they are quite young, and this is a trip to familiarize them with their Indian roots, as the State Department has told us. Of course, what is on the cards today? Well, it's a combination of leisure and business, I would say. About 8:30 in the morning, they will leave for the Amer Fort. They will spend a good hour and a half probably at the Amer Fort. Now there they're going to go up in a cart all the way up to the fort, because remember, it's a hill fort. It's a 12th century fort which is situated on the hill. It was the capital of the Kachwaha kings before they moved down to the city of Jaipur, which I always tell people is the first planned city of medieval India. It was planned by Savai Jai Singh in 1727. But in Amer, there are various courtyards. So when they go into the Jaleb Chowk, which is the first courtyard in Amer, which was actually kept as a place where the troops would have a fall in. So there, Vice President Vance and his family will be greeted by the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister. And there are a series of folk performances there. So there will be the Kalbelia dance, very colorful. It's done by the Kalbelia tribe. There will be the traditional Rajasthani Ghumar, which is a dance of slow, graceful hand movements. And there will be the Kachi Ghodi, which is a vigorous dance of a folk performer who gets into something which is like a horse and he does a dance. So I think the children and the family are going to enjoy that. After that, the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister will take their leave. And then the Vice President's family with their staff will go into the Amer Fort. So they will. So where they have got the first place they will enter will be the Diwan-e-Aam. Then it will be the Diwan-e-Khas, and in the Diwan-e-Khas, the highlight, again a highlight, is going to be the Sheesh Mahal. Now remember, for all of you who've seen Mughal-e-Azam, that beautiful song, Pyar Kiya To Darna Kiya, well, that song was picturized on something like the Sheesh Mahal. So that's the Amer Fort, but before that, there's going to be a greeting by two lovely pachyderms. They're called Chanda and Pushpa, and I caught up with them just last evening as they were getting ready for the Vice President's visit. So let's listen in to what Chanda, Pushpa and the family of elephants have to say. It's going to be a very special welcome for US Vice President Vance, Second Lady Usha Vance and her children by these two very special people here behind me, elephants, Pushpa and Chanda. Now, Chanda is 28 years old. She's very, very good-natured. And next to her is Pushpa, who's a lot younger. She's 19, but equally well-natured. And they are going to be welcoming the Vice President and his family. I have with me Ballu Khan, who is their owner. Ballu ji, किस तरह का तैयारी ये करेंगे और क्या होने वाला है, क्या करेंगे ये लोग?
मैडम, अभी शाम को जो है हम हाथियों के साथ में तालाब पे लेके जाएंगे और इनकी रंगोली तैयार करेंगे। और जो ज्वेलरी है,
क्या पहनाते हैं ज्वेलरी में इनको?
इनको पायजे पहनाते हैं, कटला है, दुमची है, कनगोजा।
दुमची क्या होता है?
दुमची जो पीछे दुमके लगती है चांदी की, वो है। और कनगोजा यहाँ लटकता है कान के इस तरफ।
तो दिस इज ऑल रियल सिल्वर ज्वेलरी?
ये चांदी की ज्वेलरी है, करीब 350 साल राजा महाराजाओं के जमाने की है। और उसको संजो के रख रखी थी। अब 2001 में जब हमारे प्रेसिडेंट अमेरिका के प्रेसिडेंट आए थे तो हमारे दरबार साहब ने वो ज्वेलरी निकलाई। तो उसके
तो ये आपके संरक्षण में रहती है ज्वेलरी या पैलेस में रहती है?
नहीं, हमारे पास में ही है सब। हमें तो दरबार साहब के ज़माने से मिली भी है, हमारे दादा
तो
परदादा।
ये दिस इज एन ओल्ड ट्रेडिशन। यहाँ पे आमेर में हाथी की सवारी बहुत पुरानी परंपरा है।
जी, 300-350 साल पुरानी परंपरा है, उसको संजो के रख रखी है। और सन 2000 में जब अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट आए थे तो दरबार साहब ने हमारे भवानी सिंह जी ने राइड कराई थी। उसके बाद जो है पहला मौका है जो आज आ रहे हैं।
तो यहाँ पे दे गोइंग टू नॉट, दे विल जस्ट बी ग्रीटेड, उनको ग्रीटिंग देंगे। तो आपने किस तरह से इसको चंदा, मैंने सुना है कि यू हैव गॉट हर रेडी, शी इज गोइंग टू ऑफर अ गार्लैंड टू द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, माला पहनाएंगी वो?
जी, ये माला पहनाएगी चंदा।
इतना जल्दी सीख गई है, आपने सिखाया है इसको?
हाँ, 3 दिन में सीख गई साहब ये तो, क्योंकि ये बहुत फ्रेंडली है, हमारे घरेलू आती हैं, घर में इनकी देख रेख होती है, तो बच्चों की तरह पालते हैं तो इनको सिखाने में बहुत ईजी होता है।
And then elephant is a very intelligent animal. Now Pushpa is going to do the blessing. Can you tell me कैसे करेगी ये blessing? आप बताना. So here's Pushpa and she's going to bless. Oops, there you go. So she's blessing me, and that's exactly how she's going to be blessing the vice president and his family. So very sweet and friendly elephant. And that's a wonderful salute by both Chanda and Pushpa, ready and geared up for the Vice President's visit. And they're going to be in their bridal finery tomorrow. It's indeed going to be a unique experience for the Vice President and his family. In Jaipur, with camera person Jasraj, Harsha Kumari Singh, NDTV.